internet.
Hello everybody, back in another video. In today's video, we are going to be... I don't know.
No way!
We're just going to be playing Steel Monkey. Subscribe to this dude's channel.
Just spawned.
His name is DJ like this, underscore instead of this right there. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to steal this guy's brain rot.
I got Pibble.
Bro, I need this Cerebro. Why can't I steal it? What? Oh, your base is locked so I can't steal. Oh, guess I'm respawning. Taking my bat.
Look at my brain rot.
I don't care about your brain rot. I'm locking my base. I don't trust you. I already have a mythic.
Mine's better.
I have a Frigo Camelo.
I have a Pibble.
Do you have admin commands?
No, I'm not spending $40 on a game I barely play.
Can I have Truly
the top is locked too. Do you like my Pibble?
Can I have the Truly China? I needed to.
You can have my Tim Cheese.
Can I have your Truly Cena? I need it to rebirth.
Sure. No Pibble.
Okay. What about the lemon?
I like him. He looks stupid.
I
said this looks stupid, not you.
You just called me stupid.
You're slow.
Please don't hit me.
You're fat. I think you're a little bit overweight.
Shut up.
Yeah. You're overweight.
You're lucky. Shut up. I'm going to delete you from this world.
Oh my god, my Pibble is doing 6.75. 6.7.
Oh my god. Rebirth. I need a chef crab.
I'm not even joking. It has 6.7 in it.
I need a chef crab. I need a chef crab.
I have 2 of those. I'm gonna learn how to do an internet. I need a Berber Pata Pim for my rebirth. What's a Berber Pata Pim spot? Could you hold my Pibble for me?
Bro! I need your chef crab to rebirth.
I did it on accident. You gotta wait a minute.
I hate you so much.
It was an accident, I swear.
My base. My beautiful base. Why am I being so gay? I swear if you hit me when I get right to my base.
Your base is opening soon.
There's nothing in there. You can try to steal.
Apple! Apple!
There's no way you want the apple.
Apple! 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 Apple!
You sound so stupid, bro. Bro bought the apple.
Apple! 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 I love apple.
Apple! Apple! Apple!
Stop knocking my balls!
No, I was buying an apple.
Oh! Bro, where the hell is my apple?
I stole it from you. And there's 2 more. There's 2 more. There's another one. No stealing my apple. No, my apple! Oh, you can have that. I was more worried about my apples. Guys, if you buy 1,000,000 apples, you'll get $1 million in 5 seconds. Another apple spawn.
$1 million. If you buy a
Apple.
million apples, you'll be 1,000,000 apples in debt. Crap. I accidentally said you'll be 1,000,000 apples in debt. Crap.
No, imagine someone's filling their entire base after they got the strawberry elephant with apples. Is the strawberry elephant even a thing in this game? Can I steal one of your apples? I need it.
I have no apples.
Apple!
Apple! Apple! Apple! Apple! Apple! Apple!
This is my apple. No. No.
Oh no!
No, I need to go to the shop.
That no fair. You have 2 rebirths.
Bro, why are we fighting? I don't have enough. Wait, I do have enough.
Apple.
It's not letting me buy
buy
it.
any more apples.
Is my base full of apples? Bombardillo crocodile engines roar. Jack Croc 7 through the ocean floor.
Bombardillo crocodile engine.
Can I have the bombardillo?
Like the ocean floor.
Can I have the bombardillo? I'm gonna steal your
Hell
apple.
no.
Where's the apple? Where's the apple?
I
Where's the
sold
apple?
it.
Crap. I was never here.
I'm beating you.
I was never here. And you'll
I
never steal my
refuse
brain
it.
rot.
Oh, I found my apple.
Apple!
Apple. Apple.
I bought another apple.
Tortini, let's go. Oh man.
I
that's
think I have
gorilla.
a big obsession with apples.
Hey, mister, can I have your apple?
No.
I'm taking your apple. Ah. Yeah? What? What do you want, mister? Are you gonna abuse me?
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Go sub to him. I accidentally just hit him. Oh, wait, there's apples. We can't end the video in.
Apple,
Yeah, we gotta get
apple.
apple. My apple.
No, my apple.
No, my apple.
My apple. No! Only buy 1 apple. No, my base is full.
Yes, there's another one as well.
At least I have 2 mythics.
At least I have like 5 apples.
Oh my god, a legendary!
Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god. I just yeeted him to outer space. Bop. Well, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next one.
Look!
Tralala, you have a pimple. You gotta let me get this. I can't buy it. I don't have enough. Well, you can buy that.
I almost have enough.
Can I steal it from you since you have the pimple?
Why can't I sell this Tug?
Can I have that or give me your pimple? That or your pimple?
Get the gold. You can have my Bombardiro.
Okay, bet.
Take the Bombardiro, but not the Tra-la-la. I'm ready.
I'm getting it.
Good boy. Oh my god, I actually got Tra-la-la.
Okay, for real this time. This is the end of the video.